Hello guys, it's Matty here. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use OBS or Open Broadcast software. There'll be a link in the description to download it, and let's begin. Once you've downloaded it, installed it, whatever drive you want, you get an icon on your screen. If you don't, just type it in down here, and bring it up. But this is the screen you will get. You'll not get this here monitor. You'll just have none of these things will be here. Nothing will be there. So to start off, you need to go to settings and then go to settings again. This is if you're wanting to live stream. This is mainly for live streamers, and I'll show you at the end how to record your screen. Make your profile, name it whatever you want, add, apply, and then go to encoding. Right, so for the encoding, it's very advanced, or not advanced, but this depends solely on how good your internet is. If your internet is good, I recommend, really good, I recommend using 4000 by 4000. If your internet's it's just okay, I recommend using 2000 by 2000, what I use. Very good quality for your live streaming. And if your internet's not really okay, like it's nearly okay but not, it's use 1000 by 1000. That's mainly what that is. Quality balance is, say you're playing League of Legends, Minecraft, you put it at 10. Say you're playing Call of Duty, Battlefield, might put it at 5 or lower. I don't really understand what this is or what it does, but yeah, so just do that if you want to. But this is the main thing of this. This you really need to configure it and see what the quality is like. Get your friend to go on your Twitch channel, start streaming, see what the quality's like. If you say it's not good, bump it up a bit. If it's good but you lag, just bump it down a bit. Stuff like that. Next is the audio encoding. Keep it at what it's at. I keep mine at AAC, 48 gigahertz and 128 bit rate. There's no need to go any higher. If you want to, you can. If you can handle it. I've just never tried. I just don't need to. Then hit apply. Broadcast settings. To change it to live stream. Okay, this is the main. This is what you'll really need to to start streaming. Obviously, you need to change the mode to live stream. Streaming service, whatever you want to stream to, you can put it. But this is mainly for Twitch TV. This is the tutorial, and the server, wherever the closest server to you is, put that. Say I was closest to Frankfurt, which I'm not. I put that. But I'm closest to London, so I put that. Um, the play path / stream key in the description. I'll have a wee text thing just saying how to find your play path / stream key, and then I'll have a link to your dashboard, which will, if you're signed in, it'll take you to your dashboard, not mine obviously, and you'll be able to see where your stream key is. Once you find your stream key, it'll be a long digit. Do never show your stream key to anyone else unless you're having a friend that is streaming with you, but he streams at different times than you on your same account. Once you've got your stream key, paste it in here, which that isn't my stream key, that's just a random thing. Paste your stream key in there, and all of this, you just really need to ignore this. For instance, if you're wanting to record your monitor, instead of do this at the end of the video, but might as well do it now. If you want to record your monitor like I am, change it to file output only. Choose a hard drive or wherever you want to record it to. Choose a start stream key hotkey. That's not stream, that's actually recording. And then stop. I just hit start, I'll hit this, stop it, I'll hit that. This is what I'm using to record now. So yeah, once you got your live stream, just hit apply. Once you've got on all your settings, hit apply. You have to always hit apply. Right, then let's go to video. Whatever, if you have two graphics cards, obviously you want to use the best one, but if you don't, if you have one for solely for editing or whatever you want to use it for, just use that. But if you have one for gaming, use that one. I don't really know, I just have one, so I just use my 660. Base resolution, just keep it whatever your thing is, that your desktop is, or your laptop, whatever this says, just keep it. Monitor, if you have one or more monitors, or if you have two or more monitors, obviously keep it or put it on whatever one you want. I keep it in my first one, which is the one you see at the minute. I'll switch it across to the second one, and then actually it doesn't do anything, but my second one is a different quality, you see, because my second one's a TV and I had to downscale a bit. Um, Resolution downscale. If you're really wanting to get good quality, you just keep it on whatever your native screen resolution is. But if you're wanting to downscale because you can't run it or you lag, I'd recommend downscaling it to 10 or 1280 by 720. Want to go any lower, go lower if you want, but the quality won't be anywhere near as good as what it could be. Of course, if you've got good enough internet, you should be able to record on whatever your screen is. FPS, keep it at 30 if you want to. I put mine in 60 just solely because I can do it. I can like stream in 60 FPS. So if you just want to put it in 30s, put it in 30. Want to put it in 60, put it in 60. Want to put it in 120, put it in 120. Do whatever you want with that. This here, just keep it unchecked. If you just keep it unchecked, there's no point in checking it. If you checked it, it would change all your Windows settings. It would change it to make it run faster, which I don't need. But if you do need it, check it and it'll change it and make it your game run faster. Apparently. So once you've done this, hit apply. Audio. Obviously, want to have it whatever you're using to speak through and listen through. Um, what it says, use push to talk. So you have background noise. If you have a lot of background noise, say your family or kids or something in the background or baby, and you want to live stream, just use, say you want to use your spacebar to live or to talk. Hit your spacebar, say something important. Unhit, don't hit it again, and it'll just say that, and you'll not be able to hear you like the rest of the stream unless you hit the spacebar again and hold it in. Push to talk, I don't really use this. Mute mic, I don't need this. Mute on mute mic, you can use a hotkey, which will, if you hit that hotkey, it'll mute your mic, and then it'll unmute your mic, and then you hit the hotkey, it'll mute your speakers, unmute your speakers. Um, this here, desktop boost, is I think this is your speakers. If you put that up, your speakers will get louder, and in the stream they'll hear it louder. Yeah, and microphone boost, if I put this way up, they might hear it a lot louder in the stream, but than rather than being one. Mic offset, don't worry about that if you don't want to use it. Hit apply. Advanced, just I'll leave this on for 5 seconds, just copy it or pause the video if you don't get it done in 5 seconds, but just copy that. Right, and that's it basically. Hit apply and okay, and that's you done with your settings. Now on to adding scenes and how to edit scenes and stuff. I'll gonna have to really do this like really quickly. Well, not really quickly. I'll try and do it as slow as possible so you don't have to constantly pause the video and stuff. But basically, you're not gonna have any of these. None of these you're gonna have. So what you want to do first is right click on your desktop and add a scene and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it on this at the minute because this will not what you get up. But once you add the scene, just click on that scene, go over to the right and then do add, and say you want to capture a game. You hit the game capture, and it'll come up, and then let me say boom, that'll be the game capture. And there's nothing obviously there at the minute because it's not a game, I don't have a game running, but that'll capture your game, and then you can downsize that to whatever way you want. I'll actually quickly, hold on, I will open League of Legends. Come on, open. And I'll put it over on my other screen. And if I want to right click, add, game capture, and hit this, and then boom, this will come up on my screen. This will come up on your screen, whatever it is. To edit this, to make it bigger or smaller, just hit edit scene, and you just go like this. It'll edit it. You can put it wherever you want. Want to make it huge? Bring it over here. Position it to wherever you want. If you see, if I hit play, it'll edit and it'll do all this stuff. It's kind of complicated. You need just to muck about with it and do stuff and really get used to it. That's the basics. So yep, I'll just remove that now. Right, boom. Right, so if you're wanting to record your monitor, just go add monitor capture and then hit OK, and it'll capture like it's doing now. But I'm gonna show you what I do at the minute. Is I have different hotkeys. Say I hit F5 or F6, it'll take you to my game. F7 takes you to me loading into my League of Legends or into League of Legends. F8 takes me to this, searching for a game. F9 takes me. We'll be right back in 5 minutes with the game. F F10 just doing something, and then monitor is just my monitor. So really, guys, if you're really wanting to like get good at doing things, you're just really good at like editing and doing scenes and all that stuff. You just really want to muck about with it yourself and just really teach yourself. That's really the basics. But just when adding scenes and adding an image, if you want to add an image, just add it. Browse. Say I want to browse for an image. Let me see. Let's say I want to add this to my stream. Say some like a fan made you an image and you just want to add it to your stream. Say you put it up here. You can resize it, put whatever way you want. Put it here, down there, whatever you want. That's your say that's your webcam. You can add your webcam by just doing add and then global source. Or no, not global source. It's one of I can't remember how you add webcam, but I think it's video capture device, and then you'll have your device of your webcam will be up, and you just twerk your settings for it, hit OK, and your webcam will come up on the screen. I'll use this like as my webcam because I don't have a webcam. But to say this is my webcam, I can resize it, put it say up in the right hand corner, and that's basically your webcam. And yep, so if you're having like say you're wanting to not have this up on your screen anymore, but you still want to have it in your sources, you can put it order and move to bottom, and you'll see it's not there anymore. But the edits, you can still edit it and stuff like that. But if you want to bring it back, order, move to up, and there it is again. And but yeah, so that's basically the main things of that. It's adding them. Just do it like if you want to add text. There's adding text. Just type something and it'll come up on the top right or left hand corner or wherever you choose to. You can have it scrolling. I'll just hold on, I'll edit this. Yes, text. You can have the scroll speed set up to like, let's say 100, and we'll have sub to Ozo Tribe. And it'll scroll, and you can move it to wherever you want, and you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. I've subbed the user tribe across the screen, but yeah, it's really just all about doing what you want to do and editing stuff in Photoshop, bringing it over, seeing how it fits with the screen, like this, see how it fits with that, and it's mainly that. And yeah, so that's a basic tutorial for that. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how I add scenes, how to edit in Photoshop and make the scenes, just write it in the comments and I'll show you. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you some other time. See ya.